Hello, my name is Ayanadasa. I student for the UNA. This presentation is for the course Introduction to Linguistics. Today I speak about the dialectic. What is the dialectic? According with the dictionary, it's a particular form of languages used for an specific group. For example, one dialectic of Colombia is the Ticuna languages. Is used for the tribe Ticuna. They live in the Amazonas, but for moments live also in Peru, Brazil, and Colombia. These languages is considered a insolent languages because it's only speak in for this group and three sorry and two tribes more that Mayoruna and Yaguas. These tribes only live in the Amazonas. Is very interesting because for these these languages is very phonetic and very specific, and this is the dialect, a particular form for the communication in a selected group. Thank you.